Hey everybody, welcome to Winston Quarantine Kitchen. Today I'm making Santa Fe chicken. So let's start by showing you the basics of what I have. For the topping of the Santa Fe chicken, I have here already mixed together just the basic ingredients of this, which is black beans. It's basically a black bean salsa, which is basically black beans, beef tomatoes, red onions, red and green peppers, already mixed in already. What's going to go in it next is corn, diced garlic, cilantro, white vinegar, salt, and pepper. That's going to be in the mix. Now let me start by showing you, continue over to the chicken. The chicken I've had marinating for a while. It's sitting in salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, and Mexican taco seasoning. So we're going to take this and now we're going to move over, take this over to a hot pan. And of course, like I've told everybody, presentation side down first, away from you. I'm basically going to cook these off. Well, actually, I'm not cooking them off. I'm just searing them to get a little dark, to get a nice color on them. And I'm going to finish them off in the oven. That's basically the color I'm looking for. Let's check the other one. That one still got a little more time to work on it. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. Like I said, I got a nice little color. This is basically what I'm looking for. I'm going to continue cooking in the oven, but I want to make sure that I get the full flavor. You get the full flavor of the food. So guys, let me finish cooking this chicken up, and I'll show you guys the next step in a second. Alright guys, welcome back. As I mentioned before, I cooked the chicken to see. I just seared it. It has a nice beautiful color on the outside, but it's still raw inside. So what I'm going to do is cook it at a temperature of 385, which is my favorite number. I'm going to cook it for 25 minutes to make sure everything is cooked. And of course, I have a thermometer. I will definitely check. So what I didn't explain in the beginning was what basically is Santa Fe chicken. Santa Fe chicken is a dish that consists of spices, topped is spicy chicken topped with cheddar cheese, and then layered with a black bean corn salsa. So let's start by showing you the black bean corn salsa. Like I explained to you before, here's the black bean corn salsa with your basic black beans, of course, red and green peppers, diced tomatoes, and diced red onions already in here. So now we're going to take the corn kernels, sprinkle them in here. Add some garlic, not too much. I'm going to take some of the cilantro, sprinkle it in. Take the lime juice, a couple of squirts. White vinegar. End it off with a little salt and pepper. Now I'm going to mix this all in. Give it a taste. absolutely perfect, I say so myself. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna wrap this up, put it in the fridge until the chicken's ready, and then I will show you guys the next step. As you can hear, the beef went off. Double check the timer. Definitely above. Definitely above. So the next step to the Santa Fe chicken is the cheese. Layer cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar over the chicken. Okay, hold on one second. Alright, just have to make sure I have enough cheese. That's enough. My family loves cheese, so definitely make sure I got enough. So now what I'm going to do is put this back in the oven for a good 5 minutes. Let that melt. And you guys will see the final and next step. Alright guys, I got the chicken on it. Chicken is ready. It's melted. Thing looks nice. So I'm going to show you the last step. The actual plating of it. So I'm going to take a nice piece. So it looks good right here. Put it right in the middle. You're going to follow me. I'm going to grab a little bit of the make sure I drain out the juice. Gotta make it look pretty, so give it a nice little glaze over. And there you have it, folks. Santa Fe chicken. Thanks for watching.